heavy traffic, fish markets, prepare to stop. See, that sign applies if you're in a car. However, you're on a bike, so instead of having to queue up in this crap ass traffic, you can just pull the sneaky old motorbike manoeuvre. Let people know you're here. Sorry guys, coming through, gotta get my fish. Through we go, out we go here, through here. Bit of this, bit of that. No worries. No problems at all. And what was such an easy task on a bike would have been absolutely impossible in a car. Guys, still stuck in ridiculous traffic. Just sort of had to end the vlog because I saw it hot. On motorised cycle. Fucking motorised. Oh, this bitch is going to talk to me. Fuck me. What's going to happen here? G'day mate. Good, thanks. Yeah, exactly. I've already been here once today. I tried in the car.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, no luck.
I've been literally less than 10 minutes since
Yeah.
I arrived.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
I couldn't possibly queue up on Anzac Bridge to come in here and going back out again.
Yeah, exactly. That's where I got stuck, queuing up on the Anzac Bridge to get over. And I was just nut. So I turned around, went back, got the bike, much easier.
That's the only way to get around.
Exactly. So much better.
If everybody had a bike, the traffic would be a lot better.
Oh, much funner, I reckon.
Oh, absolutely.
Alright, have a good Christmas. Well, I am completely lost in my own city. I was leaving the fish market and there were cops directing traffic because it was, you know, it was that busy. Oh, I love that. Love that sound. I know where I am. Everybody calm down, nigga. I know where I am. Alright, everybody, happy days. Now heading back home over the bridge. What a fucking idiot. I'm glad I got that on camera. Fucking dumb cunt. I swear to God, some people. Especially that idiot with fucking Nissan X-Trail towing us some rusty ass trailer. He's just gonna change lanes without checking. Is he? Right, okay. That seems safe and legit. Oh well. Some people are dumb. You can't all be as amazing as me. No, I'm kidding. Those in Sydney who live here, you probably like, yeah, whatever, Harbour Bridge, just the usual. But for those who aren't in Sydney, this is what most of Sydney's hype's about. This giant thing of metal. Nah, I'm kidding. It's pretty awesome, guys. Street triple. MT-07. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I've never climbed over the arch. I've walked and skated across it though, and you know the view you get with the opera house is just down there. You know, it's all absolutely awesome. So anyway, as I go over the bridge, I bid you farewell. Wish you all Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. And I'll see you all soon in another video with hopefully some more bike mods and some more awesome scenery. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.